Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to compile and execute an Apex code in VS Code through Maven's Mate. You need to have the Maven's Mate desktop app installed in your system. First of all, I'm going to set the user debug logs in my org for Maven's Mate so that they can be traced in the org as well. And that was it. Here I have a class called database operation. An important note, please make sure that to run any of the Maven's Mate commands, you need to have the Maven's Mate app running in the background at all times. Now back to the topic at hand. We are going to compile the file. Before that, I'll start the logging process through the Maven's Mate start logging command. Now to run any of the commands, you bring up the command palette first. The shortcut for that is Ctrl+Shift+P. As soon as you press it, the command palette comes up. Now you can type in your command. It also has an auto completion feature so that all similar commands are brought up automatically. To check if logging actually started, you can use the command Maven's Mate toggle output. And in the output window, you see that start logging has finished successfully. To compile, run the command Maven's Mate compile file through the command palette. You can see it's processing in the output window as well. Here the compilation was started. Here the compilation is finished. Now comes the execution part. To execute, run the command Maven's Mate execute Apex. A window that is similar to the execute anonymous window in the developer console opens up. To execute this class, we'll first create an instance of the class. The function that we'll be calling is called createRecords. It takes no arguments. So to execute, simply click on the execute tab that you have at the top of the screen. As you can see, the Apex was successfully executed and you got a success message for that as well. Now you're going to check the logs. Execute Apex was finished. To get the debug logs, you open the debug folder in the Visual Studio app, and here are the logs. These logs are very similar to what you get in your org. These are the limit usages. If in any case you're not able to see your logs, please try the following. First, flush your logs using the Maven's Mate flush logs command. Then execute the process again. You got the Apex successfully executed message. Again open the debug folder, again open the logs, and most probably you'll have the logs with you. So this is how you can execute your code in VS Code. Thank you.